Welcome to this tutorial from the Wellerman Digital Marketing YouTube channel about how to integrate your Google Calendar into your church's website. This is a very simple task. It's actually a lot easier than you may think, and there's really no coding that you have to do involved. You have to just copy and paste code snippet. So don't be too intimidated by that. But also consider, before we get started, if you do find content like this helpful and useful, if you watch this video and you're like, oh, that was way easier, I can do that, that's awesome. Consider liking and subscribing and commenting about that on my YouTube channel. The more interaction, the more people like and follow and subscribe to my content, the more content I can produce, and the more I can get this out in front and help other churches with kind of how-to guides like this, and really help grow my channel and grow your church. So with that, we're going to go to our Google Calendar here. We're just going to go to our settings menu, and we're going to click on settings, minimize this general option here, and just click on the settings for this calendar. As you scroll down, you've got this option, integrate calendar. And it'll pull you to this option where you can pull several different options. We're going to ignore these because I think it's much better. We can make it look better when we customize our calendar. I want to show a weekly list. You can show a monthly list. If you want to change the default view to month or week, you can do that. You can change the title and have that appear here. You can change navigation buttons. I like taking the border off of mine. However you want to do this, customize to taste, whatever you would like to see. The other thing that is interesting, you can change the size of this. If you paste in your website as is, it will be this square block, and you might have similar dead white space on the side just like this. I don't want that for my site, so I'm going to change this to about 1350, about 1300 in width. And now we have this beautiful looking calendar, and this is exactly what it'll look like on my website. I'm just going to go to copy to clipboard, and then I'm going to go to my website. So I work on a Squarespace website. You can do this on any website. If you don't have or know where the ad block feature is, or adding embedding code into your website, just go on Google and type in how do I embed code into my X website, and use X being, whatever platform you use. Virtually everyone out there has an option for you to use a code embed to put something like this on your website. So click on embed, and then I'm going to edit mine, just go to the code snippet. Yours, depending, it might look different, but either way, you just want to get to this section where you can paste your code, which is just Control V there, and you've pasted your code from this Google Embed calendar. It's copy here, and then you go in and you paste that here, and we're done. That's it. Now I have my Google Calendar directly ported in and showing live on my website with any information. As I edit stuff, this will change, and my congregants, parishioners can all see exactly what updates, what sort of events are happening each week at the church, without really any extra work on my end or your end. So if this was really helpful, if you thought this was a really good guide for helping you get something like this up on your church, consider, telling me about that. Tell me anything else that you want to use this for, or if this has helped you in some way, if this helps your church, because I want to make as many of these as possible. And the more you comment and like and subscribe to my channel, the more I can make. So please consider doing that. And, as we all know, blessed are the feet of those who share the good news. So use this to go share the good news of Christ with your church and your community. Thanks.